weather is good for today. There is no sun. It's cloudy. Where is the sun? No, cannot be sun. Hiding. Sun is hiding. Time check. I don't know. Time now. I don't know what time now. 7. Eh? Now 8:15 a.m. So Sister Mariam is taking breakfast over there. It's good climate today. Is no sunny. It's cloudy. So temperature is good by this time here in Raulakot. Na? My husband there also taking breakfast. Today is May 24 and today is Saturday. Paratha with what you call this, egg fry egg with tea. Chai. This is common breakfast Pakistan nationwide. And that is plum. It's already falling down because of abundance of green fruits of plums.
Assalamu alaikum. Today is Friday?
No, Saturday.
Today is Saturday,
May 24.
May 24.
And I think 7:30 a.m. now.
Yeah, about morning. My friend is going to make breakfast.
Yeah, because my gasol.
Her cylinder almost finished, so she will make with wood. She said this cylinder is
I make already
only
the
3 weeks.
paratha.
And also more, very expensive, 3,000.
3,000 now.
Very costly.
3,500.
3,500, very costly. We pay gas very less in Variatown.
Yeah, very expensive.
Oh, and this is the life of Kashmir
Village.
village. But they have a wood. Wood is very costly, but they have a surrounding with mountain, tree and yes, Alhamdulillah. So that's no problem, but I think difficult.
Difficult, not difficult.
She said no difficult. Yeah, she's very sabarwala. Mashallah. Filipino adjust so easily. I will run away. Okay.
Today's recipe, our viand for lunch. This is mincemeat with potatoes and capsicum curry. This is good also partner for chapati or rice. Done cooking. Now taking lunch. White rice, mincemeat with what you call this? Potatoes, capsicum, and salad. Oh, ang lakas ng hangin. It's too windy, too much air. Ayan si Sister Mariam. Time check 1:10 p.m. and today is May 24 and today is Saturday. Oh. Goat. From where this goat? This goat up. Oh. Too much windy. Ayan lang. Maybe rain is coming. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Ayan lang. So windy. Nice. Sister Mariam dinner. White rice with salad cubes, cucumber and onions. Mincemeat potatoes with capsicum. And we have also fire in chimney because
Today
much
it was raining
and so cold. So that's why she want to eat here in kitchen. Okay, you start now to eat.
Thank you.
Mm.
You want to eat too?